In this video, I'll share with you information about a book I read to help me relieve myself from the suffering of tinnitus. I suffered for years with tinnitus, and so do you want to know a cure that works? A cure for tinnitus that actually works? I'm going to tell you about where you can find an unusual tip that can give you relief from tinnitus in just about 30 days. Now, if you're anything like me, I suffered for years with tinnitus. And, it was getting so hard to work, to concentrate. In fact, the entire quality of my life had just pretty much gone down the tubes. And I was getting very depressed about it. But then I discovered this secret, and now I'm finally eliminated that ringing from my ears. So, do you want to know what actually worked for me and how I actually solved the tinnitus problem that I used to have? Well, it's not going to be something that you'll find in any conventional books. So if you've looked, you're not going to find it there. And if you've been searching the internet, you won't find it there either. I just happened to stumble upon it from a friend who was also a sufferer like I was, who shared with me an ebook written by a sufferer just like us. So I knew that if this book was written by a tinnitus sufferer and had worked for my friend, then it's got a really good chance of working for me as well. So there are three critical things that this book describes. Number one, you'll find out what tinnitus is and why you actually have it. Right? Why are we so lucky? Why did we get tinnitus? The second thing is you'll find out what doesn't work. You hear about some of these cures and remedies that don't actually work. And worse yet, it could actually make the condition even more pronounced or worse for you. And the third thing you'll get from this ebook is the only proven way to get rid of your tinnitus. And believe me, I know. I used to have it. I don't have it anymore. So this ebook gives you all the information you need. And it's so easy to go through and follow the steps. It just made it really simple, and now I eliminated my tinnitus forever. So if you have any interest in all of getting rid of your tinnitus, take a minute, visit this top tinnitus cure website and watch the amazing video that they have. You'll find out about the Tinnitus Miracle ebook just like I did. Follow the steps and you can be happier just like I am. Here's the link below, tinyurl.com/top-tinnitus-cure. Also check the comment section below. I'll have a link in there. Hey, thanks for watching. I've included a link below in the description that'll take you to the video presentation that you should watch. Click on it and you'll see it instantly.